Grandmother's Thanksgiving cornbread dressing, a holiday favorite. There are certain dishes like home-cooked turkey and cornbread dressing that don't just sit on a table. They still exist in our memories, stitched into the fabric of time, and they help to make us who we are today. And every holiday season, long before the turkey or ham was carved or the pies were cooled, one inviting aroma drifted through the whole house that told everyone, "We're home." That aroma was grandmother's holiday cornbread dressing that we smelled. Grandmother's holiday cornbread dressing wasn't fancy in appearance, neither was it made of expensive ingredients. But it was so very perfect in texture, flavor, and taste. "Alice, don't please stop licking that salt shaker." Her dressing was one of those perfect food dishes that could only come from years of training, love, patience, and a well-worn wooden spoon. Grandmother never measured anything. She measured with heart, eyes, and years of cooking experience. She would add a pinch of sage for warmth, lots of crumbled cornbread for comfort, and quiet loving smile as she stirred the holiday cornbread dressing mixture. Because she knew she was creating more than a special food dish. Grandmother was creating kind and loving moments in time for her family to always remember. And, oh, how that first bite of her holiday cornbread dressing tasted. Crisp on top, tender in the middle, seasoned with memories, and the kind of richness that no store-bought anything could ever imitate. You didn't just taste that holiday dressing. You tasted all the food at grandmother and grandfather's home. How they welcomed all the family with warmth during the holidays, and their unmistakable love for all the family and cooks who together made it all happen. If you've ever wished you could bring that same warmth, joy, and love and flavor to your own table, then you're about to smile. Because this recipe, grandmother's recipe, is ready to make your kitchen smell like your childhood at your grandparents' home once again. Now, together let's step back into grandmother's kitchen once again in my dearest memories and bring her holiday Thanksgiving cornbread dressing and those happy holiday dinners back to life. Little Alice, grandmother's namesake, and I are cooking a very special holiday dish today. Grandmother's Thanksgiving cornbread dressing, a holiday favorite. Ingredients: 1 large pan, homemade cornbread, crumbled. 6 slices, day-old white loaf bread, toasted and then crumbled. 1 cup butter, 2 full sticks. 2 cups yellow onion, finely chopped. 2 cups celery, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning. 1 tablespoon dry sage. Salt and pepper to taste. About 4 to 5 cups of chicken or turkey broth. It all depends on how dry your dressing base mixture is before being cooked. 4 large eggs, well beaten. And please don't forget to add a smile and some love, just like grandmother. Cooking instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish 913 or larger. Sauté the vegetables in a frying skillet. Melt butter over medium heat. Add onion and celery. Now, fry onions and celery until soft and translucent, about 10 minutes. Mix well the dressing base of southern cornbread and white toasted bread. Add sautéed vegetables and poultry seasoning, sage, salt, and pepper. Add broth. Pour in broth gradually, stirring until mixture is very moist, but not soupy. Add eggs and mix until all ingredients are fully incorporated together. Pour cornbread dressing mixture into the 9 by 13 prepared dish. Bake uncovered for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the cornbread dressing golden brown on the top and set done in the center of the baking dish. Grandmother's cornbread dressing, a holiday favorite. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please click that notification bell, and you will never again miss one of my new recipes or additions. Until next time, goodbye friends. Johnny, get your hand off little Alice's plate. Now.